Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Reader channel. Today we embark on a journey into the captive world of literature as we explore the book Agent of Babylon by David Jeremiah. Agent of Babylon take us on an intriguing exploration of the book of Daniel, a biblical text that delves into the prophetic visions and experience of Daniel, a captive of Babylon. David Jeremiah masterful unveils the timeless truth embedded within Daniel's story and offers insightful interpretations that resonate with our modern lives. Okay, the book emphasizes the significance of Babylon as metaphorical representation of our contemporary world, where cultural, political, and spiritual force converge. Okay, it invites readers to navigate the complexity of the metaphorical Babylon with intellectual rigor and discernment. Throughout the exploration of the dichotomy between good and evil agents within Babylon, Jeremiah urged readers to discern between these agents and recognize the deceptive force that we fight for their elegance. Okay? And he encouraged readers to resist the conformity of Babylon today in our days and instead embracing a life rooted in truth and righteousness. Agent of Babylon challenge readers to question their own beliefs and motivations, urging them to develop a critical and introspective mindset. Okay, it emphasizes the power of self-awareness and invite readers to cultivate the moral and discernment in face of Babylon allure, the world. In conclusion, Agents of Babylon by David Jeremiah, offers a thought-provoking exploration of the biblical book of Daniel, okay, engaging readers in a profound examination of the truth, discernment, and moral fortitude. It invites you to navigate the complexity of our modern world with intellectual rigor and to embrace a life rooted in truth and righteousness. Okay, thank you for joining us on the Reader channel. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and families. Please subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Until next time, keep exploring the vast realms of literature. Thank you very much. We see you soon. Bye bye.